Lauren Boebert is an American politician, businesswoman, and gun rights activist serving as the U.S. Representative for Colorado's 4th Congressional District beginning in 2025. Having so served the Colorado's 3rd Congressional District from 2021 to 2025. Born December 19, 1986, age 38 years, Altamonte Springs, Florida, United States. Spouse, Jason Boebert, M. 2007 to 2023. Office, Representative, Republican Colorado 4th District, since 2025. Children, Caden Boebert, Tyler Boebert, Roman Boebert, Brody Boebert. Education, Rifle High School, 2004. Height, 1.52 meters. Books, My American Life. Early life. Boebert was born in Altamonte Springs, Florida, on December 19, 1986, to Shauna Roberts Bentz, who was 18 at the time of Boebert's birth. The identity of her father is not known. Professional wrestler Stan Lane was speculated to be Boebert's father, but this was disproved by 2 DNA tests. At the age of 4, Bentz took her from Florida to Colorado to stay with her boyfriend, only to move back to Florida with a different boyfriend, and then finally returned to Colorado with the Colorado man who became her stepfather. When she was 12, she and her family moved to the Montbello neighborhood of Denver and later to Aurora, Colorado, before settling in Rifle, Colorado, in 2003. Boebert dropped out of high school during her senior year in 2004 when she had a baby. She earned a GED certificate in 2020, a month before her first election primary. Boebert has stated that her family depended on welfare when she was growing up and that she was raised in a Democratic household in a liberal area. Records at the Colorado Secretary of State's office show that her mother was registered to vote in Colorado as a Republican from 2001 to 2013 and as a Democrat from 2015 to 2020. At age 19, Boebert herself registered to vote in 2006 as a Democrat. In 2008, she changed her affiliation to Republican. According to Boebert, she became religious while attending a church in Glenwood Springs, and that she became a born-again Christian in 2009. She has volunteered at a local jail for 7 years, but attendance logs at the Garfield County Sheriff's Office show that she volunteered at the jail 9 times between May 2014 and November 2016. Early career. After leaving high school, Boebert took a job as an assistant manager at a McDonald's in Rifle. She later said that this job changed her views about whether government assistance is necessary. After marrying Jason Boebert in 2007, she got a job filing for a natural gas drilling company and then became a pipeliner, a member of a team that builds and maintains pipelines and pumping stations. Personal life. Boebert lived with her husband, Jason Boebert, in Silt, Colorado. They have 4 sons and 1 grandson. Her mother inspired me to be a mother when I was 18 years old. Jason worked in the oil and gas industry prior to opening their restaurant, Shooter's Grill, and continued working in that industry even after opening the restaurant. Jason registered the company Boebert Consulting LLC in 2012 and provided drilling services as an on-site drilling foreman to Terra Energy since 2017. In her 2021 filing with the House of Representatives, Boebert reported her husband's income as a consultant for Terra Energy at $460,000 in 2019 and $478,000 in 2020. On May 11, 2023, Boebert filed for divorce from her husband, citing irreconcilable differences. The divorce was finalized on October 10, 2023. On April 3, 2024, Boebert was hospitalized after feeling severe swelling in her left leg. A CT scan showed a blood clot, which was successfully removed in a surgery. She was also diagnosed with May-Thurner syndrome.